Welcome to Quizr. In today's video, let's play fun challenge How Scared Are You tier list fears quiz. We've got 10 questions lined up. You'll have 8 seconds to respond to each. For each correct answer you'll score 1 point. If you're ready, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. And 3, 2, 1, let's get start. How do you feel about spiders? How do you feel about heights? How do clowns make you feel? How do you feel about ghosts? Rate your fear of frogs. Would you rather kiss a frog or hit like on this video? How would you feel about an alien encounter? And how does blood make you feel? Would you rather eat blood soup? Or share your worst fear in the comments. And what about dolls? Thank you so much for joining us today. How many questions did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments down below your score. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Quizr for more fun games like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.